We have a concave mirror having a rough focal length of 11 centimeters. I have an object, my candle is acting like an object. What I can do is I can move the mirror and change the position of the object. So in this experiment, I will not be moving the candle as it can blow off the candle. I will move the mirror and I will change the object distance. The object distance is from the concave mirror to the object. So that distance I will keep changing. I have a concave mirror of rough focal length 11 centimeters. So let me move the mirror as close as possible to the candle, and now my object distance is less than 11 centimeters. That means my object is placed between the mirror and the focus. The focus comes over here of the mirror, so it is in between the mirror and the focus. Let us see what type of image is formed inside this mirror when I look in the mirror. As you can see, the image that is formed is upright and it is magnified. It is not the size as same as the actual candle. This is the position of the object between the pole and the F. Now if I move the mirror, that is if I increase the object distance, let us see the type of image we are getting. As I am increasing, you can see that the image which is formed in the mirror that you can see is getting magnified and it is upright. Once I reach a distance of 11 centimeters, that is at focus, you will see highly magnified, and then the image will get inverted and diminished. That is when the object is placed between F and 2F. When the object is placed between F and 2F, the image is inverted and diminished. And now if I keep on increasing beyond F and keep on going beyond 2F as well, you will see that the image is getting magnified but inverted. Now let us try to project this image on the screen and see what we get. We have a screen, we have an object, and we have a concave mirror. You can see that the image formed on the screen is inverted and also magnified compared to the size of the object. That means we can say that the object is placed between F and 2F. You can verify that as well. Here the object distance is approximately 16 centimeters. Our focal length was 11 centimeters. So we are between F and 2F. An object placed between F and 2F produces an inverted image which is magnified. Now let us try to find out the image formed on the screen when I place the object between F and pole. By moving the mirror, I have changed the distance between the object and the mirror, and now it is less than 11 centimeters, but I don't see any image. Let me move the screen further away. You can see that there is no image formed, and all I can see is a circular bright spot. And even if I keep going, I never see an image. Why is that? Because when an object is placed between F and the pole of the mirror, you will get a virtual image. That means the image is now formed behind the mirror, which you can see only if you come in front of the mirror. So now let us go beyond F. We are at a distance now around 14 centimeters, and let me adjust the screen. you can see that we have a magnified inverted image, and if I keep going further and further, the image comes closer and closer. The image distance is now decreased. The image size, you can see that it is also decreased. When we reach to a distance of 2f, what happens? When an object is placed at a distance of 2f, the image is also formed at 2f and of the same size. So you can see that I'll have to burn my, there we go. I don't want to burn my board, but this is what happens. Now the image is formed at the position of the object. Now let me go beyond 2f. If I go beyond 2f, where is the image formed? The image is formed before f. Sorry. You can see that the image formed here is highly magnified and inverted. This happens when the object is placed very close to the focus. Now let us try to move the object distance beyond focus and see the type of image. So as I keep moving my object distance, you can see that the image distance is also decreasing, and to get a clear image I have to move my board to get the position of the image. So let me keep doing that till I get the image, and there we go. Now you can see it is magnified but still inverted. So now we are between f and 2f. The object is between f and 2f. We have got inverted image. Now let's move further. As you can see, the image formed is not at the position of the object. That means we have still not reached to 2f position. If the object distance becomes 2f, then the image will form on the object distance. That means at the object distance. That means here I'll have to bring the board on the candle. So I have to be careful that I don't burn my board. Yes. We are exactly above the candle, and we can see that the image formed is inverted and same size of the candle. If I go now beyond 2f, if I go beyond 2f, we are at 2f position. If I increase the distance furthermore, the image formed will be in front of the candle, that will be between f and 2f. Let's do that. The candle is left behind, and we can see the image form is now diminished. Let's try to diminish it furthermore. The candle is furthermore diminished. I have gone object distance way beyond 2f. Let's try to do furthermore. See the type of image we get. Let's try to focus it. The image is become more diminished. Let's do further more and see what I can achieve. We are somewhere here. So from the actual size of the candle, we have got highly diminished. Only because my board is not stable enough, we are not able to show you very stable image. Otherwise, we can always produce stable image if we have our board, the screen, to be stable.